Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify store pickup. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So in order to set up Shopify store pickup, what you are going to be doing is you need to head over to settings. There you can see we have shipping and delivery. And in here we are going to be scrolling a bit down and we have local deliveries, then we have pickup in store. So this is the exact thing that we need. You can click on set it up. Since we need to set up Shopify store pickup, you can add your location that is going to be offering your store pickups. So add your checkout preview. This is going to be how it is going to be looking. Expected pickup date, you can incorporate that. You have your ready for pickup notification. So once you do that, it is gonna be completing the process. So that's how you can set up Shopify store pickup. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.